So, hi guys, this is Nikki Kelly from Wisdome, and I'm just going to share with you today a feature within our system, which is our sales page. And our sales page can be found via when you're entering into your account settings. And on the side here, you'll see there's a number of areas that you can go into, which is basically the settings for your setup of your whole account here. And the first thing we always suggest is to go through your payment settings, which is connecting Stripe to Wisdome. And therefore, you can obviously take payments. And those payments would be for subscription levels that you might be selling or even courses that you plan to sell. Now, what I'm showing you today is the sales page. Now, the sales page is just a simple one-page URL, and that is actually where you would direct people like your public and so forth to come and discover the products and the subscriptions that you're selling. Now, you do have a choice in our system, and what I'll do is I'll walk you through the process where you're giving your sales page a title. And in this case, we've got just a list here saying Wisdome products and services. We also have an image, which is a banner that goes across, and you're given the pixel size here. And then a little bit of sales copy. And in general, on this side over here on the right side of the page, you'll see there's select plans to show and select courses to show. So in this regard here, we've got a number of sort of test plan accounts that were created in our system, but we've also got some courses here as well. And you can choose which one you want to show. You can show all of them, one of them, some of them, whichever you want. And the reason we have this capability here is you might have an actual program that you're releasing just for a short period of time. It's not an evergreen. And so, for example, with our Eff-Ex mastermind, we only have that running for a short period of time or open for a short period of time. So we will have that available for people to actually come through and join, and then we close it off after we've taken in our cohort and the program starting. So you can choose to do things like that. And the same thing with courses. You might actually have a course that you've got out there and you're only opening it for a short period of time, and then you're going to close it off and no one else can purchase it. Now, it means that on the actual public page, it won't show. So here's an example, and I'm just going to copy this URL. So here you can see this is the title of your page. This is what shows up here. You've got your banner. And then here is obviously the little short description that you might have. We also have an added button in here. So if you do have people who are already a part of your system and so forth, they can just log in directly from here as well if they wish. Now, explore products. This is where your courses are listed that you want to showcase. So you might have a free course that they can enter, or it might be a course that you wish for them to purchase. When they click on the button, it actually takes them through to a checkout. And once they've filled in all the details, it will take them inside the system so they can actually access the course. And below further is explore subscriptions. So you might have a number of different access levels, and people can subscribe either for free or obviously purchase monthly or yearly. So overall, that is your sales page. That's how you can utilize it. There are a number of ways that you can take it further. And if you, for example, want to just showcase and promote one particular course, and you don't want the public to come to this whole page, you can actually just go here, click on that, which takes you straight to the checkout, copy this URL and promote that URL as the buy now button. And people can come straight to this URL, purchase the course, and they're inside the system. When they've purchased a course, they will actually see on their system here the course that they've purchased. And if there are any other courses that they might be available to purchase, they will see them down here. So once they've already purchased one course, if you want to on-sell to other courses, they will be able to see them below if they wish to. Okay, that's enough from me today. And if you've got any questions at all, please feel free to email us at support@wisdome.com.au.